Hey everybody, it's Brooke. Alright, I want to come on for a quick little video to show you my new kind of concept that I'm working on. I don't know what to call it, so right now I'm just going to call it Recipe Junk Journal Organizer. I don't know. Junk Organizer. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. But I'm covered the book with fabric and then built these little spine pieces and then painted it. And I'll show you. Let me grab a piece of the fabric. This is what the fabric looks like beforehand. Just has some of that embroidery stuff on it. And I did regular chipboard and wrapped it. And then I have, here's the back. And then I just painted it with white acrylic and, sorry about that. And then distressed it. And then I made a tie. And I don't know if I'll leave it this long after I decorate it and fill it and stuff. We'll see. All right, and the inside is like this. So I built it like a junk journal with all the different papers, but I made every page have pockets on it for recipes. And then this is some of my eco-dyed paper. It's the original on watercolor paper. And then a little lace pocket. And then you got pockets here, and they all can hold a an index card, and this one is the 3 by 5. Yeah, 3 by 5. And then I was figuring I would make pieces of paper, you know, fold them up. I don't know. I'll get it all figured out. And then, and this was a handwritten recipe. Let's see how it holds that. 1 buttermilk biscuits, and this one says steamed dumplings, and then just a pocket on a piece of eco-dyed paper. And then these are some pages out of a recipe book, and it can hold 2, like there and there, and a piece of my eco-dyed paper, another recipe, handwritten recipe. And then just some tea stain papers that I turned into pockets. And these are like glued all the way down, so you can only get 2. But I mean, you can put as many as you can fit in here. You know, just keep stuffing and keep stuffing them in there. There we go. Another pocket, 3 pockets that can hold, and they're gusseted, so they can hold more than 1. So really kind of endless. And then some scrapbook paper looking drawers, which I thought were cool. And then some more pockets, and folded it up like an envelope. And I think, did I glue that down? Yeah, I did. So just 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And then some more. Some eco-dyed paper, the watercolor paper, so it's thick. But I'm going to come back on here, and this is some paper out of a cookbook. But I'm going to come back and decorate it with you and show some more ideas I have as far as the tabs and everything. And then this is that marble dyed paper that I did on a video. And it's really fragile book paper, so I put some washi tape to reinforce the top. Some more cookbook, scrapbook paper, tea-dyed paper. And each individual signature I sewed in, so that it has, so you get some room to stuff. Some more of the marbled book papers that I reinforced with washi tape, and it's Tim Holtz. And a lemon meringue. Another drawer and some chickens. Scrapbook paper. Scrapbook paper. And I don't know, I don't remember what book I got these out of. And then there's another one that says, Damn It Chicken. Another eco-dyed paper. Some more. And then these are slick papers. And then another, I think it says 3-hour cake, a favorite of Daddy. Turn that into a pocket. And I glued it down so things wouldn't get lost in there. That's as far as it'll go. And then there's the other side of that eco-dye paper. And another pocket. And there's the back. And then I have these sticking out of the spine. So yes, I'll come back when I get ready to decorate and add everything that I want to put for someone who wants to get this for them to write their recipes on. All right, guys, thanks for watching.